Today I'm going to teach exercise number 4.3 quadratic equation question number 5. Under root x plus 7 plus under root x plus 2 is equal to under root 6x plus 13. In this question we can see that there is no same term. So that we can suppose to our equation easier. So what we will do, we will take square on both sides. Why we take square? So that to eliminate this under root by taking square on both sides. Under root x plus 7 plus under root x plus 2 whole square is equal to under root 6x plus 13 square. 2 and 1 by 2 cancel. Under root x plus 7 square plus under root x plus 2 whole square. 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, 2 and 1 by 2 cancel. This term we consider as a plus this term we consider as b. So a plus b whole square, and when we open it, this formula a square, a is under x plus 7, a square plus b is under x plus 2 square, a square plus b square plus 2a into b is equal to 6x plus 13. Now x plus 7 plus x plus 2, this term and this term cancel, 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, x plus 7 is left, plus 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, x plus 2 is left, plus 2, 1 multiply, what we get, x square plus 7 plus 2 9x plus 7 to the 14 is equal to 6x plus 13. Now x plus x becomes 2x and 7 plus 2 9 plus 2 under root x square plus 9x plus 14 is equal to 6x plus 13. Now we take in the right side, 2 under root x square plus 9x plus 14 is equal to 6x. Positive 2 become negative 2 plus 13 as it is. Positive 9 become negative 9. 4x plus 13 minus 9, 4. 2 under root x square plus 9x plus 14. So 2 is common, 2x plus 2 is left. 2 under root x square plus 9x plus 14 as it is. 2 and 2 cancel. Under root x square plus 9x plus 14 is equal to 2x plus 2. Now again we'll take square. Why we take square? To eliminate this under root. Again taking square on both sides. Under root x square plus 9x plus 14 square is equal to 2x plus 2 whole square. 2 and 1 by 2 cancel. X square plus 9x plus 14 is equal to 2x square plus 2 4 x square plus 4 plus 8x. Now 4x square as it is plus 4 plus 8x as it is, and we take in the this term we take this side and this term we take side. And this term we take in the right side, what we get, positive x square become negative x square, positive 9 become negative 9, positive 14 become minus 14 is equal to 0. 4x minus x square become 3x square, minus 9x plus 8 minus x, minus plus minus sign get a value, minus plus minus 9 minus 8 1, sign get a value, get is minus. Minus 14 plus 10 minus 14 plus 4 minus 10 is equal to 0. 10 3 is 31. Now we will break the midterm by making factor. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 15, 3 10s are 6 5s are. So the factor are 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now 3x is common, x minus 2 is left, plus 2 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 minus 5 2s are 10 is equal to 0. Now x minus 2 and 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. First of all, we will put x minus 2 equal to 0, but we get x is equal to 2. Now 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 5. Positive sign becomes negative sign, and the multiplied term is divided by both times. So x is equal to minus 5 by 3. Now we checking how to check. Put x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to minus 5 by 3. First of all, put x plus 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 is this question. Under root x plus 7 plus under root x plus 2 is in under root 6x plus 13. Similarly, under root x plus 7 plus under root x plus 2 is equal to 6x plus 13. If right hand side is equal, if after putting x is equal to 2, right hand side left hand side becomes equal to right hand side, then we can say this is our solution set. This is the root of solution set. And if it is not equal, then we consider this is an extraneous root. So 2 plus 7 under root plus 2 plus 2, 7 plus 2 9 plus 2 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 2 5. Now 6 into 2 plus 13, 12 plus 13 25, under 5 5. Now we put x minus 5 by 3 plus 7 plus under minus 5 by 3 plus 2 is equal to under root 6 into minus 5 by 3 into plus 13. So 7 3 are 21, 21 minus 5, 16 by 3 plus 3 2 is 6, 6 minus 5 under root 1 by 3 is equal to 3 1 is 2 under root minus 10. 3 2 is 6 and 2 into 5 minus 10 plus 13 under root 3, 4 by under root 3 plus 1 by under root 3, 3 by under root 3. So both these are not equal. So it means our solution set becomes, both these are equal. So solution set is equal to 2, and minus 5 by 3 is extraneous root. This is our required solution.